Hi guys, welcome to another video. So to start with this hairstyle, I'm going to go ahead and remove my bonnet, you guys. I'm even shy to remove it because my hair is not in good condition here. So I did these 3-strand braids. They are not like very small, as you guys can see. So the plan for this video was to show you guys how you can achieve, or how I achieve an afro. So I'm going to insert a picture right on the screen so that I can show you guys my vision of this video. But I can tell you that it wasn't an easy thing, and this video was kind of a failed hair tutorial. So I'm just here to show you guys that it's not always that I plan to style my hair in a certain way that it always comes out exactly the way I'm like picturing it. So yeah, we're just like trying to be real over here, okay? So yeah, you guys should just continue watching as I struggle with achieving the hairstyle that I want. So guys, normally what I do is this. After washing my hair, right, I always put it in either the African threading, like the African threading method. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. It's on my channel. I use that method to stretch my hair. But if I have a vision of like combing my hair into an afro later during that week, I always put the hair into these braids that I'm having right now, because they stretch my hair. Then they also keep the hair like not very stretched, like to an extent where it's like straight. It's just stretched enough for the afro to be achieved, and it keeps the curls. You understand, right? Yeah, so that's why I put my hair in these braids when I know that I want to put my hair in the afro later in the week. So for this one, I think I did these braids twice. Like I washed my hair, then I braided these, but then after washing it, I didn't moisturize the hair. I didn't put any oils and everything. So after a few days, I unbraided them and put the oils, scalped my scalp, and then added some like hair food to the hair as well as the scalp. So which means that I did these braids twice. So the first time that I did them, they were a bit stretched. Then the second time they were stretched again. So I'm going to go ahead and use this white tooth comb that I'm just showing you to like comb out the hair. So guys, I'm carefully combing the hair, and I don't know why I did not put water. Okay, maybe I know. It's because I thought as well, like when I spray the water, my hair is going to shrink, and I didn't realize earlier that my hair was overstretched for this hairstyle that I was going for. So I kept combing the hair, but I was doing it carefully because dry hair breaks a lot. It easily breaks. Oh guys, so this is me after trying to comb out the hair. The afro is not coming out at all. As you guys can see, my hair just looks stretched and uneven. in all directions. So I was trying to shake it, nothing was happening. I don't know why I kept that line in the middle. So that's when I realized, I was like, why am I not spraying water? Like, let me try to spray just a little bit of water all over the hair. Then I tried to like comb it afterwards, because once you spray water, the hair shrinks just a bit. So it was going to give me that volume that I was looking for. So after spraying the water, I went in with my hands just to evenly distribute the water. I was trying so hard right here. Yeah, so I'd already done the back, and it looked promising. As you guys can see, the hair was like coming together. So yeah, that's what kept me going. Yeah, and I haven't edited most of the part. Like, I haven't cut out most of the parts from this tutorial. Yeah, I'm trying to show you as much as possible the reality of these videos that we create. Like, it's not always perfect. It's not always like, it doesn't always come out the way we want or the way we plan it to go. So yeah, I'm just here struggling again, trying to comb out the hair. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to go in section by section so that it will be easier to comb the hair. Yeah, so in case you find yourself in this situation, please put some water, spray some water. Yeah, preferably if you have a spray bottle, it is going to be easier, and go in sections. As you guys can see, I'm trying to take care of the hair. At this point, I was frustrated. I was getting frustrated, you guys. I'm laughing now, it's funny right now, but when I was recording the video, it wasn't funny at all. The middle part of my head has the thickest hair, so I was trying to be strong, but I know it wasn't like painful because I had sprayed water. So water is a good hydrator. It brings some hydration to your hair to ease up the pain. Yeah, so the one side, which one is it, my left side had shrunk. So right now I was closing that line, that middle part that I had. I was closing it, so I just combed out that line. Then I'm now trying to fluff out the hair, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be alternating in between the comb and my hands with like trying to fluff out the hair. I don't know whatever I was trying to do here. I was kind of feeling myself like maybe the hairstyle was going to be coming out. Then later I looked stressed again. So I don't know, this video is just all over the place. And remember, we're being real here. I'm showing you the other side of this natural hair that we chose. Okay, yeah, so the back part looks it looks good, it looks better. I'm just remaining with like the front part is the one that I have to fluff out a little bit more. And I also think I didn't put a lot of water or enough water for the hair to shrink enough in the front. So yeah, smiling just a little bit, trying to shake the hair again. Yeah guys, so this is how I'm looking. This is how the hair is looking. Like the left side of the head is a bit more as this, like in order compared to the right side. So I'm just trying to show you guys the back part, and yo girl, you need to do some more work with the back part. But yeah, we're back to the front part, and I'm not giving up. it gets better. Like, you guys can remember how my hair was looking when I started, right? So yeah, I'm trying to do some cute poses. I'm happy. Yeah, so I'm still trying, like still trying to shake the head. I don't know why I was even shaking my hair. Maybe I was just feeling nice that my hair is coming out well, maybe. Yeah, so I'm continuing. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I basically wanted to show you guys, that it's not always easy to come out these afros. And yeah, so trying to make more cute poses. I think that's all for today, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, hopefully to be a successful video. And yeah, don't forget to check my previous upload about the African threading, as well as my wash day routine. So I also have other tutorials on my channel. If you want to know how to braid yourself, just check out my channel. I did how to braid yarn twists, as well as how to braid your cornrows. Trust me, it is better that side. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.